Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here. As you guys know, I have one of the biggest Cash App YouTube channels. I have millions of views. I do tutorials, how-tos, experiments, all kinds of stuff. I have hundreds of Cash App videos. I've helped millions of people with Cash App. On July 9th, my account was terminated. As you can see here, basically all I can do is withdraw my money. I can't use the card. I can't do peer-to-peer payments. I can't buy stocks. I can't buy Bitcoin. I've contacted Cash App. Basically, I get like low-level support that can only copy and paste messages or bots. It's absolutely ridiculous. I emailed like the marketing team. Maybe they'll care that they just terminated the biggest Cash App YouTube channel. I don't know. We'll see. It doesn't really seem like anyone at Cash App that I've talked to so far understands or cares. So I'm gonna give them like a week to fix it, to bring my account back. Like the whole thing is just cringe. And you know, if they don't, I'll go off. I don't care. So we can go into my account here. We can go to support. You can see your account is closed. So once this happens, you can basically go to the chat and try and chat them. So I'll show you the chat. So here we go. I say, hello, why was my account closed? I've been a long-time user of Cash App and huge advocate for the app. I've been using Cash App since the beginning. I literally run a YouTube channel that helps people with Cash App. You'd think they'd understand and just not have bots reply to me, but it is what it is. Hi Andy, I'll get you someone to help. This may take a few hours. Cynthia here. She just copy and paste messages, as you can see. I'll scroll through these. She says that I broke terms of service, but they don't say what you did wrong. They won't tell you anything that you did wrong. They just say, oh, you broke terms of service. But the terms of service are like 14 items long. And so to figure out what you did wrong is nearly impossible. So I say, hi Cynthia, I'm a YouTube content creator with over 100,000 subscribers. I've made hundreds of videos helping people with Cash App and supporting this app from the beginning. Please explain to me what I've done wrong. Again, it looks like she's just copying and pasting messages. She can't provide me with any information. So I ask if there's any better support that I reach, and I say it's crazy to just terminate my account. Then it looks like I get a different support person, but they can't give me a specific reason. So I say, is there anybody that I can talk to? Must be a misunderstanding. Is this a bot that is reviewing my account? Did a person really look at my account and say, oh, this guy is doing something crazy? Like, there's no way. I'm just a normal Cash App user. I don't do anything stupid. I don't buy or sell drugs or anything dumb like that. So like, what could they have thought that I did? And I'm still not sure. Like I said, I'll discuss any transaction. I'll talk about anything that they have questions about. Like, I'm a legit Cash App user. And they say, we've provided as much info as possible to help with this issue. Since I can't provide any more, I'm just going to end the chat on you. And then I said, you haven't helped me at all. I keep getting the same response, and then a bot responds to me. So that's where we're at with the situation. Basically, I did the same exact conversation on Twitter. You just get these bots or like support people that copy and paste messages. It's cringe. So yeah, my Cash App account is closed, terminated. I've been doing this Bitcoin experiment for 1,250 days on their app now. So I don't know what will happen. Maybe we'll find some new partners that want to support the channel, that want to be a part of the journey. I know like Public does Bitcoin, Strike does Bitcoin. So I'm looking, I'll give them about a week and then we'll figure it out. But basically it looks like they can just terminate anyone's account for any reason and not have to provide a reason. So I don't know at this point. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.